Cappuccino. A cappuccino is an espresso-based coffee drink that originated in Austria with later development taking place in Italy and is prepared with steamed milk foam. The size of cappuccino cup approximately 160 ml. It's different by country sometimes. Latte. Latte is a coffee beverage of Italian origin made with espresso and steamed milk. Latte is served in a wider bowl-shaped cup and holds around 11 to 15 ounces. Flat white. Flat white is a coffee drink consisting of espresso with microfoam. It is comparable to a latte, but smaller in volume and with less microfoam, therefore having a higher proportion of coffee to milk. The ideal serving size for a flat white is a 160-165 ml tulip cup. Mocha. Calf mocha, also called mochaccino, is a chocolate-flavored warm beverage that is a variant of a calf latte, commonly served in a glass rather than a mug. The ideal serving size for a mocha is 12-ounce cup. Macchiato. Macchiato is an espresso coffee drink with a small amount of milk, usually foam. A serving size for macchiato is 4-ounce small cup. Cortrado. A cortrado is a beverage consisting of espresso mixed with a roughly equal amount of warm milk to reduce the acidity. The milk in a cortrado is steamed, but not frothy and texturized as in many Italian coffee drinks. The ideal serving size for cortrado is 4 to 5-ounce cup. Picolo. Picolo coffee is a single ristretto shot pulled into a 90 milliliters glass and then topped up with steamed milk. The ideal serving size for Picolo is 4-ounce cup. Thank you so much for watching.